Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your likes on Twitter. For that, follow my steps carefully. First of all, go to the home page of your Twitter. Now click on the icon from the top right corner. Then scroll down, you will find an option settings and privacy. Click on this button. Now at the fifth place, you can see an option privacy and safety. Click on this button. Now at the first place, there is an option audience and tagging. Click on this button. Now you can see a button protect your tweets. Just turn this on. So after turning this on, only current followers and people will be able to see your tweets. So in this way you can make your Twitter private and make your likes private, but this is not 100% efficient or valid way. Actually, there is no direct way to hide your likes. I can suggest you to create a new Twitter account where you'll be safe and you will be able to hide the likes from the people you do not want to share. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.